So I'll eat one meal a day, I'll cook one meal a day. How cool is that?
What do you need? Like every day from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., I kept on asking myself, why am I doing this to myself? Why? Then a sound came from within me and said, shut the and do it. Hello, guys, welcome back. As we all have a lot of free time at the moment, at least I have. So, what comes with a lot of free time is a lot of stupidity and a lot of new things we can try. So, this time I'm gonna try the OMAD diet slash eating pattern slash lifestyle pattern known as one meal a day, where you eat only a single meal in a period of 1 hour, and the rest of the 23 hours you don't eat anything. It's basically an extreme version of intermittent fasting, and it has been clinically experienced that intermittent fasting can improve your insulin resistance, control diabetes, and help your metabolic syndrome. And further widening that fasting window can even boost your metabolism further. I have been like almost doing intermittent fasting from past 4 months. Like 80% of the time, I try to do it, and it has been helping me in a lot of things. Like I had put on around 15 kgs of weight in the past 1 year or so. So after doing the 4 months of intermittent fasting, I have almost lost like 6 7 kgs, and it's not just about the weight. I feel better, I feel energized, like, and plus you don't have to think about food all the time. Like you don't have to cook 3 meals. What do you need? So there was a lot of reason I wanted to try OMAD, but the reason number one has to be I hate cooking. And at the time of this lockdown, you cannot get food from outside. And even with the intermittent fasting, I had to cook 2 meals, and it was too much. The amount of food I love to eat are these, and the amount of food I love to cook are these. They can never meet. So I thought if I'm gonna eat one meal, then it'd be easy. I don't have to cook 2 meals a day. So I'll eat one meal a day, I'll cook one meal a day. How cool is that? Before trying the OMA diet, I have read like a lot of articles and 2 research papers because I've never studied nutrition professionally. Yeah, so I have studied those. So I'm gonna link down those 2 papers and the articles in the description box. If anybody wants to study, they can. Now you can decide for yourself whether you want to try it or not, but I'm going to. So now I'm going to show you my results before the diet and after the diet in terms of my weight. Though I know that weight is not any measure of being healthy or unhealthy until unless you're too off the scale. Even that is subjected to a lot of medical conditions, but for a moment I don't have any other means to check any another parameter like any other medical condition. So I'll just go by my weight and how I felt while doing it and after doing it. Then I'll be telling you the feasibility and the sustainability of the diet. Was it possible? How did I feel about it? Okay, so my weight before trying the diet was this. Now I'm going to show you what I ate in all those 7 days along with my caloric intake and macros. And one more thing, I plan to eat like high protein and fat and lower amount of carbs, but I didn't want to unnecessarily go to the grocery shopping. So in terms of protein, I only had eggs or chickpeas. So majority of the time my diet was 60% carbs and 20% fats and proteins. And when I could not fit my 1500 1600 calories in one meal, so I went high on fats and moderate on protein and very high on carbs. So yes, these are the foods that I eat along with my macros. Now, how did I feel while doing it? So, first day, I ate my first meal around 6 or 7 o'clock, and at night around 3 to 4, or in the morning, whatever it is, because I sleep very late. I sleep in the morning around 5 to 6 a.m. So, around 3 to 4, 5, 6, it was very difficult for me because my stomach was making sound and I felt like eating. So,
I started this diet a day before, but then I broke it. So I weighed myself again and again started it. So I couldn't do it at the first go. So later on, I tried the next day.
So it was not easy for me, though I'm bound to eat in 6 to 8 hours, but it was still difficult for me in the first 2, 3 days. But later on, it became usual, and I pretty much enjoyed it because you just have to cook once in a day. And I used to put all my love, all my energy for cooking that one meal and eating that meal. I enjoyed the process. Now I'm gonna show you my results afterwards. So on the seventh day, this was my weight. So I was extremely happy because I saw the improvement. And in those 7 days, I did not exercise, which I usually do like for 30 to 40 minutes, and I did not do anything for a week. And still, I lost approximately, I think, 1.5 kgs. And I weighed myself on the sixth day also. So it was my weight was 61.55, but it increased in a day, I think 200 and 100 grams. I think it's subjected to change. So I think it was approx like 1.5 kgs in 1 week. Is it sustainable? I don't know, because again, if I'm gonna eat like 2 meals a day like I usually eat, am I going to gain that weight back? I'll have to see for that. So the reason I think this diet works is because in an hour there's no chance you can eat as much calorie as you eat regularly in 3 meals a day. So I think it's very easy for you to put yourself in caloric deficit state with this diet. So I think the reason for working is this. So yeah. And now comes the feasibility and sustainability part, which I think it's very much subjective. It depends on your priorities and your lifestyle. So for the moment, at the time of this lockdown, it was very much feasible for me because I enjoyed cooking only one meal and eating one meal and putting my head not all the time what to make, what to eat, blah 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 blah. So for this period of lockdown it was very much feasible, but for the lifestyle, once this everything will get over, I don't think so it's feasible for me anyhow. You can see for yourself according to your priorities and your lifestyle. But I have thought of this thing that once in a while, whenever I feel like I'll like for one day in a month or one day in a week, I'm going to try this, I'm going to do it because I think it's good to put your body for hold or give it a break from eating, because I think it's good for your body and mind not to get everything what they want at the moment when they want it. I think for discipline it's good. Does it make any sense? I don't know. You can decide for yourself. So this was my results, experience, and everything. And if anybody tries it at the time of lockdown or will going to try it, you can tell me in the comment downs below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.